whole new space. It'll be like, oh, whole new world up in her. Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video, we are talking about revamping your space on a budget. We're talking about things that you can do to revamp your space, to give it a little new look without spending a whole bunch of money. These are things that I actually do in my own home, okay? In the background, you see there's a picture of the lady with the hat on, okay? Normally, the lady of the hat, her background is green and her hat is red. So on Sunday, my daughter and I, we actually repainted her. She was over here, so she helped me revamp old girl back there. And I think she looks classy, honey. And we gave her a beauty mark. We gave her a mole. She has a mole, just like me. So that's one thing that you could do. Repaint your own picture. If you've got artwork and you don't have to be an artistic person, I'm sure you can color in the lines because you learned that in kindergarten, right? So you can change the colors in a picture to revamp a picture in your home. That's simply all I did. We repainted the background gold because her background was green, very similar to the wall color in this room, which kind of made her kind of blend into the wall and you really didn't see her. So it's like almost an iridescent kind of gold looking color. I used a textured brush to give it kind of a textured look. I painted her hat black. We put glitter on her hat. I added one of my old brooches that was broke. We hot glued it on there. One of my bracelets that broke, we gave her some earrings and we gave her a necklace. She's blinging back there in the corner. And we painted her lips. I painted her lips with some fingernail polish. Yes, she got red lips because y'all know I like red lips. So she's looking fly back there. So even if you're not an artistic person, you could take a picture that you have in your home already and repaint it with different color paint to make it look different. The next tip is do your own artwork. Get you some craft paint, get you some glitter like I did, get you some spray on glue and get to work. I actually used craft paint. I let that dry and then I sprayed the spray adhesive on. The next one, I just used paint and painter's tape. That's all I used to make this piece of artwork that's over my bathtub, which was not very hard to do at all. And then the next idea for a DIY would be to just simply take a picture outside. This is an outdoor picture we took while taking a walk, and then change the edits on your phone, save the picture, and then have them printed at your local place like Walgreens. So really simple. Then it's a piece of artwork. You can hang it on the wall. Another tip you could do is just rearrange things. Go around, shop your home, rearrange things. Take a picture out of this room, put it in this room. You've probably got things that will coordinate. You've probably got items that you're not using. Don't be afraid to rearrange things. My next tip is paint stuff. Okay, you can simply just spray paint. Spray paint is your friend, okay? Spray paint is inexpensive, all right? But you can use it to give you a whole new look. I have candle holders and a ginger jar that's on my dining room table that I actually repainted those things. I spray painted those things. The candle holders were originally clear, but the weird thing about those candle holders is they would take on water. Water would seep to the inside of the candle holder. And I didn't know that when I purchased it. I bought it at a yard sale, okay? So when I bought them, I washed them and I was like, why does it keep looking cloudy on the inside of the glass? And that's why water was seeping into the inside and I could not seem to get it fully crystal clear, clean like I wanted it. So I ended up, I said, shoot, I'm spraying that thing. I ended up spray painting it black and I absolutely love it. The ginger jar is spray painted black and it was originally white, blue, and pink, which has no place in any of the colors in my house. I decided to spray it as well and I absolutely love it. Spray painted black. Now, let's go back to that, what I just said, which wasn't even a tip, but I'm gonna throw it in there. I get a lot of things from yard sales and thrift stores. All right. I absolutely love yard sales and thrift stores. And as a matter of fact, you can find some really, really good deals and some great things at the thrift store and yard sales. Now, it's about to not be yard sale season, guys, but keep that in mind. Another tip that you can do is just simply rearrange your furniture. Rearranging your furniture can give your room a whole nother look. My daughter wanted me to pop in here for you guys. You got to do your feng shui, okay? You got to do your feng shui because, and it's so absolutely true, because the way the room flows and the way the room feels, I do believe there is something to feng shui, okay? Because I have done my living room so many different ways, guys. But I will say we had the two-seater. It's like a little, it's a recliner that we have. That's myself and Richard's chair. We call it our chair. When everybody's here, it's our chair. Me and Richard sit in it. Both of us can fit in this chair. It's like a chair and a half, okay? Now, I had that chair in there. And then we took that chair out and we put the chair in the office, okay? And we had the living room a totally different way. But the way it was when you walk into the living room, it was kind of like, boom, you run into the side of the sectional. And to me, that probably wasn't really a good placement. The sectional was directly in front of the TV, yes. But it wasn't a good placement because as the flow of the room, when you come into that room, you would run right into the side of the sectional. And that just didn't work. The way we've got it arranged now, I think is much, much better. But heck, you know, move things around. See how it works for you. Make sure you've got, you know, a clear path when you come in the room. You don't want to run slap into a piece of furniture. So, the next thing I would have to say is pillows. All right. Change pillows. Change your throw pillows. If you don't want to absolutely buy new throw pillows, you can always do pillow covers. Pillow covers, you can get those at Hobby Lobby. It'll just make it have a different look. You want to, you can even, if you feel like you can do it, sew you a pillow cover, okay? If you don't even have a sewing machine, you can actually do that bond tape that bonds fabric together, and you can iron it together with bonded tape and then slip it in there and slip it into three sides. Do the three sides of the pillowcase that you're doing, the box that you're doing with the bond tape that you iron on. Slip your pillow in there, your pillow insert in there, your old pillow in there, okay? Flip it and, you know, close it up and then whip stitch it with your hand, you know, or just slide it in like a daggum envelope. Sit on the darn sofa. Ain't nobody gonna know. Pillow covers is the way, all right? If you have, say for instance, it's time to do a fall wreath. You want to do a fall wreath, revamp that wreath. Don't go buy another wreath. Take that wreath, take some stuff off of it, go to the Dollar Tree, get you a little bit more stuff, spend you about $5, okay? Get you about 5 things, all right? And put you some new stuff on there. And call it a day, guys. You can revamp your space. You can revamp what you've got in your home. You can shop your home. You don't have to spend a bunch of money, guys. We're trying to do it on a budget. Like I say, frugal living is a lifestyle. It doesn't mean that you have to be deprived or do without things. It simply means you're going to be more wise and conscious how you spend your money. And this is a great way. You're getting a whole new space. It'll be like, whole new world up in her because I changed my stuff around. My daughter definitely said that about this green room. Ooh, child. Okay. This craft room has been so many different ways. I have tried to configure it and find a way that I like it. And by far, all these years, this way is the best way that I found for functionality and for the visual aesthetic of it, the way that it looks. This just works so much better because this is an L-shaped desk, okay? So it takes up quite a bit of space. I've had it in front of the window. This is a huge window right here. I've had it in front of this window. That just wasn't a good way. I've had it piece of the desk over here, a piece of the desk over there. It just didn't work. And actually, look, I've got more furniture in here. I've got a room divider over there. It's got my stockpile. I'm going to turn it a little bit so y'all can see. Okay, that thing is holding my stockpile. So, you know, it's just all about functionality, guys. I hope this tip was helpful for you today. I hope you can incorporate it into your lifestyle, your frugal living lifestyle. Make it work for you guys. It's not about how much money you spend in your home. It's about making your home reflect you. Okay, I love color, y'all. You probably tell that when you come in this house. I love color. I like things to be colorful. It doesn't have to be the book way or what YouTube said you should do. This your house. You do what you want to do in it, okay? If you like 5,000 pictures on the wall, then you put 5,000 pictures on the wall. It's your house. You do what you want to do. It's supposed to be pleasing for you, because when you come home, you want it to feel like, oh, this is my safe place. This is me. When people come in this house, yeah, it looks like Crystal. It looks like Richard. I think it does. All right, guys, that's it. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.